Hi everyone. Today I wanted to share with you a really useful use case with Claude Code. And in this particular case, I'm looking for an alternative to CRM. And basically, the goal here was to run multi-sub agents concurrently and in parallel to have that research and benchmark done. Basically, the prompt, as you can see here at the beginning, is help me provide an extensive and comprehensive benchmark for alternatives to ATTIO, the current CRM, and run these in parallel, and then provide the results to another sub-agent that is an analyst specialized in procurement and benchmarking, that they can share that result with me as the CMO. And you can see here with the plan mode, of course, um, provided a list of to-dos on how to approach it, and then running all the tools that are needed in terms of especially web search to identify one, the alternative, and two, run a number of queries across a set of angles from pricing, feature parity, user feedback, complaints and issues, etc., and start consolidating those one after another. And as you can see, for each one, like in this case, HubSpot CRM, they used 8 tools, 32K tokens for 5 minutes research, and doing that one after another. So we have HubSpot, we have Salesforce, Copper, Close, Pipedrive, etc. And then once all of that is done, they moved back all those results to the coordinator here to create the comprehensive final research. And in this case, this is the final plan for the completion, which is the benchmarking plan. And you can see what has been completed, the research, top five ITU alternative. And then for each of those alternative, the comprehensive analysis, and finally the coordinator agent synthesizing all research into a CMO-ready benchmark, plus the deliverable with an executive summary, total cost of ownership, a comparison matrix, which is very helpful, including weighted scoring, which is something I did not request in particular, but this is also a good point, plus the recommendation. And then in this case, the goal is to have the final report, and we're going to say yes, and we're going to proceed with that. And of course, the more precise your prompting is, the better the output. But also at the same time, I cannot stress enough using the thinking and plan mode to really break down those steps. And here, let's see, okay, perfectly. I've successfully completed a comprehensive SaaS first CRM alternative, research methodology, key findings. So we have the pricing spectrum on an annual basis for each one. Strategic recommendation. If you have less than 25 million revenue, then maybe stay with ATTIO, and then more than that would be more HubSpot, and then if it's enterprise, definitely Salesforce. And we have the file saved on. So this is a very simple use case that would take probably 10 to 15 minutes, and that you can run almost on any personal need in terms of benchmark and comparing offerings and solution. And even if you don't know those solution upstream, you can run that research early on through a set of sub-agents working hand in hand. So that's it for today, and looking forward to the next video. See you soon.